Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we got an exciting lineup of 10 amazing Amazon tools designed to make your life easier. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a home improvement guru, or just looking for tools to simplify everyday tasks, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Number 1. The FireCore 9-inch Torpedo Level Magnetic is a versatile tool designed for various leveling tasks, including hanging pictures, installing shelves, and home renovations. Its magnetic base securely attaches to metal surfaces, allowing for hands-free use and precise measurements. The shockproof rubber end caps protect the tool and bubble vials from impact, ensuring long-lasting durability. With 3 different vials set at 90 degrees, 0 degrees, and 45 degrees angles, this leveler provides maximum readability for vertical, horizontal, and angled measurements. Made from high-impact ABS plastic, it's both lightweight and robust, making it easy to handle and resistant to wear and tear. The convenient hanging holes allow for easy storage, keeping the leveler safe from potential damage when not in use. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the FireCore Torpedo Level Magnetic combines precision, durability, and ease of use, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Number 2. The Scott's Turf Builder Edgeguard Mini Broadcast Spreader is perfect for efficiently applying lawn care products, including grass seed, fertilizer, salt, and ice melt. Designed for smaller areas, it holds enough product to cover up to 5,000 square feet and comes pre-calibrated and fully assembled, so it's ready to use. The spreader features Scott's exclusive Edgeguard technology, which ensures precise application by keeping the product off landscaping, driveways, and sidewalks. Its redesigned hopper and agitator provides smoother funneling and consistent coverage, giving your lawn an even and professional finish. The fold-down handle makes it easy to store, making this spreader not only practical but also space-saving. Number 3. The Cabinet Door Installation Positioner is a versatile hardware jig designed for precise and easy cabinet door installation. Made from high-density aluminum alloy, it boasts anti-corrosion and anti-rust properties, ensuring durability under various conditions. This adjustable tool allows for precise positioning with a simple twist of the handle, guaranteeing accurate and professional results every time. Its universal compatibility makes it suitable for most cabinet doors, securely holding board thicknesses ranging from 10 to 60 millimeters without wobbling. The tool's double protection feature includes smooth, rounded corners that insert easily without damaging the board, and a safety sponge that protects the material from wear and tear. Installation is straightforward and secure, requiring no nails or screws, thanks to its multifunctional hardware clamps. This makes the Cabinet Door Installation Positioner a reliable and efficient tool for anyone seeking a professional finish in their cabinet installations. Number 4. The Seer Cordless Buffer Polisher is a 6-inch portable car polishing kit designed for efficient and hassle-free car detailing. Equipped with fast-charging technology, it fully charges in just 2 hours, significantly saving time and boosting productivity. The cordless design offers greater portability compared to traditional polishers, eliminating the need for cords and making it easier to work in any location. It comes with 2 12-volt 2,000 mAh batteries that provide extended working hours, enhancing overall efficiency. Weighing only 1.78 pounds, this lightweight and compact polisher is easy to handle, perfect for beginners, and safe on car finishes. The Seer Polisher features a powerful double-acting randomized orbit with minimal noise and 6 adjustable speeds to cater to various detailing needs, reaching up to 5,000 RPM. Ideal for polishing, waxing, and car detailing, the Seer Cordless Buffer Polisher is the perfect tool for achieving professional results with ease. Number 5. The STPA Polishing Pad Conditioning Brush and Spur Tool Set is an essential kit for maintaining your buffing and polishing pads. Designed for professional cleaning, these tools keep your pads in top condition, ensuring optimal performance during polishing. The Spur tool effectively removes small grit and debris from your pads, preventing potential damage to your vehicle's paint while polishing. The foam pad brush helps clean wax and powder stains from the surface of your pads, extending their lifespan and maintaining their effectiveness. The set features a user-friendly design with a hook for easy handling and a specially designed end on the handle for effortless pad removal. These tools are easy and comfortable to operate, saving time and energy and making the detailing process more efficient and enjoyable. Ideal for both wool and foam pads, this kit is a must-have for any car detailing enthusiast looking to keep their polishing pads clean and ready for use. Number 6. The Hilty GX3 gas-actuated fastening tool is a powerful and reliable gas nailer designed for various construction applications, including metal track, electrical, mechanical, and general building projects. With dimensions of 436 by 132 millimeters and a tool body weight of 3.99 kilograms, it offers a compact and balanced design that enhances maneuverability and reduces fatigue during use. The GX3 operates with a single power source, eliminating the need for additional cables or compressors, making it ideal for fast, efficient work on-site. It accommodates a fastener length range of 14 to 39 millimeters, providing versatility for different fastening needs. This gas nailer is engineered for high performance, offering consistent driving power and reliability across multiple materials. The Hilty GX3 is an excellent choice for professionals seeking a durable and efficient tool to streamline their fastening tasks in demanding construction environments. Number 7. The 70 pieces hand sander kit is a versatile mini detail sanding tool perfect for tackling tight spaces and intricate projects. Featuring a 3.5-inch by 1-inch finger-sized micro sander block, this kit is designed for precision sanding on wood, metal, crafts, and other materials. It includes a selection of 80, 120, 180, 240, 400, and 600 grit sandpapers that are ideal for both wet and dry sanding tasks, allowing you to achieve a smooth finish on any surface. The sandpapers attach easily to the sander block using a hook and loop system, making changes quick and hassle-free. The ergonomic design of the sander block provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use and enhancing control in detailed areas. This hand sander kit is perfect for woodworkers, DIY enthusiasts, and crafters looking for a compact and efficient sanding solution for their projects. Number 8. The 1250-watt 11.5 amp electric drywall sander is a powerful tool designed for efficient drywall finishing and popcorn sealing removal. It features a built-in vacuum system to minimize dust and keep your workspace clean. With a variable speed range of 800–1800 RPM, it provides adjustable control for different sanding tasks. The sander includes a foldable and extendable handle, allowing for easy storage and versatile reach. An integrated LED light illuminates your work area, ensuring clear visibility in dimly lit spaces. The kit comes with 18 sanding discs of various grits, offering everything you need to achieve a smooth, professional finish on drywall and ceilings. This sander combines convenience and performance, making it an ideal choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals tackling large sanding projects. Number 9. The ERSqueegee window cleaner tool is a versatile 2-in-1 cleaning kit designed for efficient window and glass cleaning. It features a rotatable squeegee head that allows for flexible cleaning angles and a bendable design to easily reach curved surfaces. The kit includes a 62-inch telescopic extension pole, which extends your reach for high or hard-to-access windows, making it ideal for both home and car use. The squeegee comes with 4 reusable cleaning pads, which can be easily swapped out for different tasks. The combination of a squeegee and microfiber pads ensures a thorough and streak-free clean, while the adjustable pole and flexible head enhance convenience and effectiveness. This tool is perfect for achieving a spotless finish on windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces. Number 10. The Burker 1 9/16" SDS Max heavy-duty rotary hammer drill is a powerful tool designed for demanding drilling and chipping tasks. Equipped with a robust 1,600-watt, 13-amp motor, It delivers up to 0 to 630 RPM and 0 to 3,800 BPM, producing 7.38 feet-pounds. 10 joules of impact energy. This makes it highly effective for drilling into concrete, brick, rock, and other hard materials. The rotary hammer features 3 operation modes: hammering with rotation, hammering only, and a variable lock for flexible use across various applications. Its 360 degrees adjustable handle and advanced anti-vibration technology enhance comfort and control, reducing user fatigue. The SDS Max bit system allows for tool-free bit changes with automatic bit locking and dust protection. For added safety, the overload clutch prevents wrist strain and extends the motor's lifespan. The drill includes 4 drill bits, 2 chisels, and a carrying case, making it a versatile and reliable choice for heavy-duty tasks.